Alright, for demonstration purposes only, this is a indoor fan motor, and I just want to show you an example of a bad fan motor. So let's say you were working on a furnace or an air conditioner, air handler, whatever, and the blade spins, fan motor doesn't turn on, you're getting 120 volts from your board, or 220, whatever. You're getting voltage from your board, but no fan motor. So spin it by hand. It's not seized up. You try changing the capacitor already. So, you put a new capacitor in there. So you put the power to it. And you're just humming. Right now this motor is drawing about 12 amps. It's drawn about 12 amps and it's just not starting. So that's a bad fan motor. So as long as you're getting your voltage from your power source and you try changing the capacitor, you got a bad fan motor. Sometimes I like to just for curiosity, I like to spin the motor and then plug it in and see if it starts. Well, it didn't start that time, but sometimes you can spin it by hand with the power off. Plug it in and it starts right up. So what you do in a case like this, just replace the fan motor. So just a quick little video. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.